Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy garlic stuffed mushrooms, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make this lovely recipe. And make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try. So these are the ingredients we have today. We've got some lovely mushrooms over here, some lovely cut mushrooms. We've got garlic, of course, for our garlic stuffed mushrooms. I'm going to use some onion, and I've got Parmigiano Reggiano, but you can use any cheese you want, mozzarella, you can even use feta, whatever you like. So you're going to start by taking our mushrooms and we're going to break off the woody bits, the stem, and make sure it's all out, and we're going to chop up all of our stems as well as onion and garlic and get that cooking. So I've been working through removing all of the stems from the mushrooms. They really just snap out quite easily. I've chopped up onion, garlic, use as much or as little onion, garlic as you like, and I'm just dicing up all my stems. I've got a couple more to go, but I thought I'd just pause and show you and talk you through everything I have been doing. And I've also got a frying pan with butter melting away, and I'm going to add in my chopped mushrooms, onion and garlic, add a bit of oregano and cook them up until they're nice and softened and ready to stuff back into my mushrooms. So I've melted butter in the frying pan, we've got the onion, garlic and the mushroom stems in. I've added oregano, salt, and I'm just going to cook it until it's all reduced down and lovely and golden, adding more butter along the way if I think it needs it. And meanwhile I've lined a baking tray with baking paper, greased it really well, and I've popped all the mushrooms back on here so they're all ready to be filled up once our filling is cooked. Our mushrooms are cooking away nicely. It smells pretty amazing. Garlic, onion, mushroom smells so good together, and I'm just going to cook it until it's softened and browned. It's all smelling pretty fragrant and browned and pretty amazing. So I'm going to move it off into a bowl just like that, and now I'm going to stir through a couple of tablespoons of parmesan. This is sort of acts as breadcrumbs, holds everything together. And then it's really just a matter of grabbing your mushroom cups and filling them up with the filling as daintily as you can. So I'm going to fill all my mushrooms, and then it's up to you if you want to have it just like that, or you can top it with a bit more herbs or some more cheese, some grated cheese, some feta, whatever you like. Obviously the finer you chop up all of your filling, the easier it would be to fill your mushrooms, but just give it a tablespoon or teaspoons or so each, depending how you'd like to fill your mushrooms. Now all the mushrooms are stuffed with a lovely mushroom and flavorful garlic filling, and you could pop it straight into the oven just like this, but I want mine extra cheesy, so I'm going to top it with a little sprinkling of grated cheese too. And I made a marvellous mess while doing so. So there's cheese everywhere, but it's going to end up with cheesy underneath the mushrooms and all around it. So now it's going to go into a preheated oven, which is at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for about 20-25 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Depends on the size of your mushrooms and how crispy and cheesy you want your topping. So it's going to go in the oven, and I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. They're out the oven. They smell pretty incredible. They look lovely and cheesy. I'm just going to move them over onto a plate. And they're done. Look how wonderfully cheesy they look. The filling so flavorful. They just smell pretty incredible, and it's wonderful to have as a meal. And you can have a plate full as a meal, as a side dish, as an appetizer. It makes beautiful little finger food. It's just such a wonderfully versatile dish. And in the blog post down below I've got loads of ideas for adaptations, so you can use whatever ingredients you want inside these wonderfully stuffed mushrooms. They're vegetarian and just so good. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know if you give the recipe a try and what fillings you are going to pop inside your mushrooms. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.